In a world where people seek harmony with nature, biophilic homes emerge as a beacon of sustainable living. Architects like Michael Green emphasize the importance of incorporating natural elements like wood, plants, and natural light, creating spaces that promote wellness. As Sarah, a resident, explains, her home's open layout and indoor gardens foster a deep sense of calm and connection to the outdoors. Interviews reveal how these homes utilize advanced materials that not only enhance energy efficiency, but also mirror the natural environment. The integration of smart systems, such as automated lighting that adapts to the time of day, optimizes both comfort and sustainability in daily life, illustrating a future where nature and technology coalesce beautifully.